Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, heated mirrors, brake assist, remote vehicle start, four-wheel disc brakes, Sirius satellite radio, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.